Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on a Google Doc. This focuses on a Google Doc where you have multiple people inside of the Google Doc. So just a few things. First of all, I want you to notice up here you have these three circles. These circles are the other people that are in the doc. And so I can see right here, this green is Benjamin Cogswell. Notice there is a green cursor right here that says Benjamin Cogswell. I see this pink that says Coach Ben. I find this pink right here for Coach Ben. I have over here purple, which is the anonymous llama, and I can see down here in this purple, this is the anonymous llama. So I point that out because it's good to know where people are typing in a shared doc, because you don't want to type over another person. If you've gotten a shared doc, one thing you want to look at is if it is in your drive. If I look up here, I can see this little Google Drive symbol, and right now it's not in my drive. If I want to add it to my drive, I just go ahead and click on it. It adds it to my drive, and then I can organize it if I want to right from here and move the file. Another thing that's pretty handy in shared Google Docs is comments. So for example, I noticed Ben really likes carrot cake, so I can comment on that if we're collaborating, or if I just have a suggestion on what he's doing. So I can highlight the carrot cake. I hit this little add a comment button and I say, I really like carrot cake too. I can comment like that, or if I showed you earlier, this person here, Coach Ben, I can go ahead and select what they're doing, and then I can always, if I know their email, tech Coach Ben, I'm going to select that. I can go ahead and say, are you finished with this comment? And I can assign it to that person. And so I can go ahead and see the comments over here. I can click on them and see where they're attached. You can see the different highlights popping up. So anyways, just wanted to go over some of the basics to a shared Google Doc, working on it with multiple people. Again, you can see who's in the doc up above. It matches with their cursor color. You need to be careful of typing over somebody because, oops, I would have typed over Benjamin right there. You can comment as another way of communicating with people, and so that's pretty awesome. And hopefully all these help. And if you have any questions, go ahead and watch this again. Thanks very much. Have a great day.